Hi everyone, welcome to my manual. But please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you'll never miss my videos. So let's get started. So today we are going to make a swan. Okay, so first we need these material, okay, and even colorful papers also. Okay, so first take your scissors and cut the blue one, okay, like this. Okay, so do so many of them. Okay, so we cutted so many colors. Okay, so let's get this sticking. Okay, then you need to like this. Okay, you need to fold like this. Don't fold it here. Okay, just stick it here. Do for the same for the all. Okay, so now we did for everything. Okay, so first take pencil. Okay, then let's draw like this, like this. So then let's draw, okay, crown on a top. So I want to do crown on a top, so I did it. Okay, then let's do like this. So I colored the crown and the mouth so we can cut it. Then let's stick to our like this. Okay, then let's stick this fan. So now let's keep for this like this. First, so let's keep some gum and stick it. Okay, so let's see if it is came really neatly. Let's do the next blue ones. Let's keep this. I do the red. So I'm done the red ones. So let's go to the green ones. So now we stick everything. Now it's time for doing this. Okay, so I'm gonna do like this. Okay, then do some leaves. So let's do another one and here like this. Okay, so let's do the water. Do star, the moon. Yes, then let's color it inside. Yes, then let's do some stars with this. Like this. Okay, I love it too much. It's so adorable and I love it, like it, everything. So if you like this video, please share to anyone and don't forget to subscribe to my manual. And thank you for watching. Goodbye.